Okay, well, incredibly, it seems incredible really to think about it, but it's 9 years of Jamaica Food and Drink Festival. So kudos to Alicia and team. I was just speaking to Celeste. I mean, it has grown exponentially, and we welcome the rain this evening because it's so hot. So the place needs to cool down, and I thought they chose a fantastic venue downtown. With all of the activities that have been taking place. So good food, good vibes, and this is the vibes, the post rain vibes. This is the good vibes. Nice to see Worthy Park taking their place at Jamaica Food and Drink Festival. So we look forward as usual to all of the activities and especially the brunch because the brunch is always my favorite.
Well, tonight actually it's unexpected because it rained, but before the rain it was lovely. But even after the rain, we continue to party, socialize, and have a good time. So nothing is spoiling the vibes, not even the weather, which we actually needed the rain because it was hot.
This journey would not have been possible without you. So thank you. Thank you all, our festival supporters who've come out every single year, whether rain or shine, and made all of our events epic.